So let's have a look at some key verbs that you could use to talk about your holiday. Andare al mare, to go to the sea or the seaside. Vado al mare, I go to the sea or the seaside. Comprare un gelato, to buy an ice cream. Compro un gelato, I buy an ice cream. Mangiare un gelato, to eat an ice cream. Mangio un gelato, I eat an ice cream. Fare castelli di sabbia, to make sand castles. Faccio castelli di sabbia, I make sand castles. Leggere un libro, to read a book. Leggo un libro, I read a book. Visitare un museo, to visit a museum. Visito un museo, I visit a museum. Comprare una cartolina, to buy a postcard. Compro una cartolina, I buy a postcard. Bere un caffè, to drink a coffee. Bevo un caffè latte, I drink a caffè latte. Visitare un porto, to visit a port. Visito un porto, I visit a port. Comprare delle caramelle, to buy some sweets or some candy. Compro delle caramelle, I buy some sweets or some candy. Fare una passeggiata, to go for a walk. Faccio una passeggiata, I go for a walk. Vedere un bel tramonto, to see a beautiful sunset. Vedo un bel tramonto, I see a beautiful sunset. Bellissimo. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for some more fun Italian videos. Ciao a tutti!